Replacing a garage door might seem easy, but it's fraught with hidden complexities and risks. Understanding your garage door's components is essential for a successful replacement or repair. The system includes springs, cables, tracks, and an opener that all need precise handling. Garage doors can weigh over 100 pounds. Mishandling them can lead to serious injuries. The danger escalates with torsion springs, which require specialized tools and training for safe handling. Improper installation can lead to misalignment, causing the door to malfunction or strain the opener. A successful replacement involves removing the old door and ensuring the area is ready for a new one. Sometimes, a repair can solve problems without a costly replacement, but a professional assessment is wise. Local expertise is invaluable. Professionals know which materials suit Panama City's specific weather conditions. Ultimately, the value of safety, efficiency, and long-lasting functionality can't be understated. Trust the experts.